When assessing the safety of an app like DramaBox, it's important to consider a few different aspects: data privacy, potential risk associated with content, and general reliability of the app. Here's a breakdown. The first is data privacy. Data collection. Like many apps, DramaBox collects user data. This can include information about your app activity, device identifiers, and potentially personal information like your email address. You can find details about their data collection practices in their privacy policy, which is accessible through the app stores. It is important to review the data that is collected and how that data is used. Second one is data sharing. The app may share certain data with third parties, particularly for advertising and analytics purposes. It is common for apps that are supported by advertising to share data with advertising networks. Third one is security practices. DramaBox states that data is encrypted in transit, which is a positive security measure. The next one is content risks. Ad content. As the app uses ads, the content of those ads can vary greatly. The third and last is general reliability. App Store reviews. User reviews on app stores can provide insights into the app's reliability and any potential issues. It is always a good idea to read a number of reviews. Developer reputation. It can be helpful to research the developer's reputation and other apps they have released.